Hello guys, my name is Jorge Villanueva with DP Electric. And in today's video, we're going to be picking up from our previous video where we had 3 basic bands that every electrician should know. In today's video, we're going a little bit more advanced with our back-to-back 90, 3-point saddle, and our 4-point saddle. Joining us today also is going to be an AP1 that has never been exposed to conduit bending before. But following step by step, he will be able to accomplish these bends. Even if you have zero experience, after watching this video, you'll be able to complete these bends as well. Okay, so as you can see, we have our AP1 here who will be performing each band starting with a 3-point saddle. First, he is going to measure each point and note each measurement on his notepad. Next, he will make marks from the readings he has taken and align them with the readings on his handbender. Then once he has found the points on the handbender, he will apply the needed pressure to make the bends by lining up the pipe with the markings he had made previously at the specific measurements. Once he has made the bends, he will verify that the pipe fits in the diagram we have. Next, we'll move on to our 4-point saddle. Our AP will start by taking his measurements as he did previously and noting them on his notepad. Next, he will take the measurements and mark them on his conduit, using a pencil to mark the marks. Watch as he places his foot on the bender to apply pressure as he makes the bend. He also verifies his markings align with the arrow on the handbender. Next, he places the level to ensure that the bend on the pipe is level. He then makes a second bend on the pipe to complete the 4-point saddle. He then compares his work against our 4-point saddle diagram to ensure that the bend is correct. Now, our final bend will be our back-to-back 90. Once again, our apprentice takes his measurements and notes them on his notepad. He then makes the marks on the conduit that match the measurements he has taken. He then places his foot on the bender and bends the pipe towards 90 degrees. Watch as he places the level to ensure a proper 90-degree bend. After ensuring he has a 90-degree, he makes his second mark, which allows him to make a second 90-degree bend that is plumbed with his first bend. He then uses his level to verify that the bend matches the first bend and both bends are plumbed. So there you go, we went ahead and did our back-to-back 90, 4-point saddle and 3-point saddle with Jason here today. And even if you don't have any prior experience with conduit bending, just following the steps, you'll be able to do them as well. And thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.